Hey, Brian here. Just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm in this beautiful home, big home, for really good clients of mine, and just wanted to show you they just bought this home, and the previous owners were heavy smokers. They used to smoke inside, and you can kind of see where their ashtrays and stuff spilled. And I got a feeling that I can get this out and make it look 100% better. You can see some spots there. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you the results afterwards. Anyway, here's a before shot, and I'll be back. All right, we're just spraying on our solution now. Just want you to make sure you're seeing all the steps. All right, now we do the agitation part. We're gonna suspend all the soils by doing this. I sprayed down my solution. The solution is emulsifying a lot of the soils from a solid state to a liquid state. And once it's in that form, we can extract it by absorption. But right now we're just kind of suspending the soil with this pad here. It's not absorbent, but as you can see, everything's just kind of disappearing as I do this. It doesn't mean the soil's gone yet, but it's a good sign when you see this. So let's go to that real bad area. Look, right here. Watch this. And voila. It's like it was never there. We won't know until I'm fully complete, but looking good though. All right, now I got my extraction bonded on. 100% cotton, made to absorb about 10 to 15 times its weight in the liquefied soils, or emulsified soil. And I gotta tell you, so far this is looking amazing. Look, you remember all that was there? Now you're just seeing my buffer line. But remember it was black? It's gone. It came up. And oddly enough, this is 10-year-old. It's a higher end builder's grade carpet. This house is only 10 years old. But it looked like they didn't really skimp on the padding. So that makes all the difference in the world. And I don't know why, but these builder grade beige carpets just clean up so well. It's kind of a mystery to me, seeing that typically polyesters wear out quick, but these don't. Which means I got to further look into the chemistry of these carpets. Maybe something is done in the extrusion process that makes them more durable somehow. I don't know. But typically I don't see that polyesters last more than 3 to 5 years. So I am beyond impressed. I'll be back with the final results. All right, here's the finished product. We groomed it with my Grandy groomer. And take a look at that. You could hardly tell. Just a little bit of wear and tear, some indentations from furniture, but clean as a whistle. All right. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm very happy to share this kind of stuff. It's just super satisfying and awesome. So, all right, everybody. Well, take care. Bye-bye.